This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check your OS version, have admin rights, and ensure a stable connection. Once done, pick a reputable VPN provider. Paid plans usually give better speed and privacy, while free options limit bandwidth. Make sure to download the official client for your operating system and verify the digital signature or checksum. Now install the client, follow on-screen prompts, grant required permissions, and restart the device if prompted so the VPN driver can initialize correctly. You now configure the VPN client to secure traffic. Log in with your account, then enable core protections like the kill switch and DNS leak protection to prevent leaks when connectivity drops. Next, select a protocol, WireGuard for modern speed, OpenVPN for broader compatibility. Make that choice based on your needs. Then pick a server by location or latency. If you need torrenting or streaming, use servers labeled for P2P or optimized streaming. Finally, click Connect and watch the client confirm an encrypted tunnel. You finish by verifying the VPN is protecting you. Check your public IP and DNS to confirm the address and resolver have changed. Once verified, make routine choices. Enable auto connect on untrusted networks and test latency for your regular tasks. If something goes wrong, first restart the client and your network adapter. If that fails, switch protocols or try a different server. As a last resort, reinstall the VPN client or its network drivers. This sequence resolves most issues and keeps your connection private.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.